Welcome back to Search, Explore, Learn YouTube channel. This is the second part of my unboxing of Insta360 X3 video. Here we will see the storage drive which I'm using Sandisk Extreme Pro Micro SDXC UHS card with adapter, but the adapter is not required for this. You need to make sure it is class 3, 4K UHD, and this storage is 256 GB content. You have a 200 megabits per second read and 140 write speed. Okay, let's get started. Depending on number of videos that you're going to shoot, you may need spare SD cards. So it's better and it's a wiser option to always keep some additional 128 or 256 GB SD cards in your pocket all the time. So let's get this mounted inside the Insta360 X3. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to put the batteries into the slot, but you need to make sure that there is an arrow mark which is written on the top that says where exactly or how you need to mount it. Okay, so that's done. No matter how many times I say, I'm always falling in love with the edges of this X3. It's really very grippy, so I'm not going to lose it. And let's also try to put the Insta360 X3 invisible selfie stick, and then let's give it a try. Wow, it looks nice. I feel like I'm now trying to be a 360 YouTuber. Great. Good choice. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your 360 X3.